यहाँ जीवन है।
Where is my globe? I am still unable to find it. I request esteemed dignitaries to please grace the stage and help me find it.
समय हूं, मेरे वहां के रास्ते में न किसी दुख की रुकावट है न किसी सुख की। फिर भी कभी कभी भाग्य रेखाएं मुझे भी उलझा लेती है।
Welcome you all to Glow Fiesta, celebrating Earth.
Our honorable chief guest of this evening's function, Mrs. Renu Mule, our guest of honor, Dr. Rupali Pandey, Mr. Jansi Joseph, the principal, all the dignitaries, fathers, sisters, well-wishers, and dear parents. On behalf of the entire school, I extend a hearty welcome to everyone present here. Dear Mrs. Renu, I feel extremely glad and proud to see you here, as you are an ex-Raphaelite, and you have proved that Raphaelites shine wherever they go. It is also a great pleasure to have Dr. Rupali Pandey, a renowned Dhrupad singer with exceptional aesthetic sensibility, whose mellifluous voice captivates the listeners. As I stand before you, I wish to quote William Shakespeare, who says, "Small cheer and great welcome makes a joyous feast." It's a glad welcome we bring to you this evening, filled with the desires, hopes, and dreams we all share. Today's annual function has dual purpose. This event, Glow Fiesta, has been awaited by our enthusiastic students and dedicated teachers to showcase their talents and do their bit in promoting universal brotherhood and peace in the world. The theme of today's event is Celebrating Earth, which reflects the fact that the world is a global village. It's a collage of various issues. It signifies that now we have to adopt a broader perspective. I hope all of you would enjoy the program. Once again, hearty welcome to one and all.
La la la, dance dance, la la la, dance dance, la la la, dance dance, la la la, dance dance. Hey, 나는 левитин, вот моя волна. Весь этот мир, он так прекрасен, и в него я влюблена. Не надо ей переписки, просто я хочу гулять, хочу любить и веселиться, громко петь и танцевать, и я свободна, будто птица. Зацените.
Póngame atención y ahora mi amor.
आज नीचे मोरी पैया मुझे किसे रोके टोके डगरी उड़े चले साथ मेरे मोरे बदी मुझे कहे बांध तोरे गदरी बहु सखी संग संग मेरे मन पतंग भागे बहु सखी संग संग मेरे अंग अंग नाचे गाए आज नीचे मोरे पैया मुझे किसे रोके टोके डगरी उड़े चले साथ मेरे मोरे बदी